Noodle eating video, take 2. Showcasing Asher, the archer, and the noodle eater. He's been working on about 10 noodles, and he's been perfecting his. You love your little noodles, don't you? All right. So let's see how he takes it. Let's see if he can take down this monster. This is the biggest noodle yet. The biggest one yet. What do you got for us, Asher? Oh, the noodles from the past are coming back. But he's got room for more. Oh yeah. Crushing it, man. You're crushing it. Doing great. Yeah, you're doing great. Just suck those noodles down. Just suck those noodles down. I won't tickle you right now because you're eating. But you're doing great, kid. Oh, he wants more. He wants more. But hey, one noodle at a time. That's the rule right now.